Hi, my name is Megan, and for my third and final week at Milestone Engineering, I mainly focused on my modifications since last week I finished the base project. And for my third and final week, I created this 3D printed box. As you can see, there is a hole at the top and also a hole on the side. The hole on the side is for this barrel jack, as you can see over here. And there's a hole on the top so that you can turn the electronic on, and you can also turn it off. So as you can see, my hand is gripping the handle that I 3D printed. The controller is in there, so I just So I'm very proud of the case that I was able to make for the gesture controller. However, I did run into some challenges in terms of getting the caps to fit onto the box. So I actually printed it 4 times, these 3 plus the one I have on my box. And the problems with these was that it wouldn't, and I also printed this box as well, but the problem with this was that the hole for the barrel jack was a little bit too small, so the battery couldn't fit into that. And the problems with these caps was that they weren't exactly clicking. So this one was a little too big. So as you can see, it's not exactly fitting into the box. And this one was good, but it also was a little loose, so. And this one was just, it was too small. So it does click, but it doesn't exactly really. And then the final one that I made, and I'm very happy with how this one turned out, it just stays in. So yeah. So this is the design for the container that I was able to make. So as you can see, this is the handle, and it just goes under this box part, and this is the hole for the barrel jack, and here's the cap that goes on top of this box, and that's the hole for when you need to turn the controller on and off. And right now I'm also working on this, and this is basically my plan for after the Blue Stamp program is finished. I'm going to be printing this car shell. It's gonna go on top of my car, and it's gonna go on top, and the wheels are gonna basically be in these divots here, these 4 divots. And there's a hole in the back because on my car there's this Bluetooth module, and it's sticking out in the back, so that's why there's going to be this hole in the back. And yeah. So I'm very proud of the progress that I was able to make in these 3 weeks with Blue Stamp Engineering. And as I said before, I hope to get that car shell finished, and after that I was thinking maybe I could add some motion sensors or some just sensors on the car so that it doesn't like bump into walls and stuff. And from this program I learned a lot about problem solving, coding, and the electrical aspect of engineering, which I'm really glad that I got to touch in this program. Thank you.